Okay, everybody, we're out here at the greenhouse. You guys can see the progress we got done. We got the W channels up on each side. We're gonna do a quick walk around. Right now we're working on the smaller areas where we're gonna install some plastic right here to keep the wind in place and so on. And then we'll install the anti-billow rope to keep the roll downs from moving. So you see we got these in, and we have to trim those and cut them to fit. It's a little bit cold out here, but this high tunnel has to get done. So yeah, we got all the wood up. I know you guys weren't able to see much of that last time. We did some splicing, so if you see right there in the middle where there's wood, because a lot of these pieces were 12-foot 2x6s, so that was the best way for us to get it on there. So we got everything in the same sections, and we did about 4 screws. But I think I may just add 4 more screws, or maybe 2 more, like one right here and then one right here, just to kind of balance it out, just to kind of like get the wood in place a little bit better than what it is. Because if you look, there's, you know, some gaps here and there, so we want to have as close as a tight fit as possible. And the next step will be, the next video that we'll probably show you guys, is we're going to be putting in the 16-foot 4x4 post, and that's going to be on both sides. It's going to be on this side. It's going to go all the way up top to the rafter, so it's going to be about 12 feet. It's going to be 12 feet. 4x4 posts. They're going to go 2 feet into the ground. And we'll probably start on the other. Look at that sunlight, looks great. It's a nice view. So we'll probably just start on that other side, because this side's going to be the hardest because we have all this dirt built up. So what we'll probably do is we'll dig a hole around this dirt and make it as leveled as possible, because we want to be able to, we're going to build this dirt up on this side anyways, but I think we're going to take a lot of the soil that is on that left side, because this is uneven. It's a higher end over here, but if you look at the markers where the ground post is, it's a little bit lower on this side, and we have like a whole bunch of gravel. So this is a pretty deep depth of gravel rocks that we could start shifting over there towards a lot of the individual posts, just to keep things more sturdy. And I think that's probably what we'll do, is I'll probably just build like another build up for it, and then that should be able to get everything going. So yeah, on this side it's the same thing. We got the splices, we got the wood in there. It's pretty uniform. Now some of the wood cracked because we were kind of screwing it in, and you had to hold it a certain way, but otherwise, yeah, everything is pretty uniform. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. So the next time we do a video, we'll show you guys the completed steps for these areas on the corner. We'll have up the anchors for all 4 corners, just to keep the structure in place. And we're actually going to install some extra screws just to keep this rafter connected to the leg, so just in case we have any heavy or high winds, it'll work fine. All right, that's it.